Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by, checking out another video. I want to start out by apologizing for the lack of content the last couple weeks. It's been hectic around here. I just haven't had any good time to get out to the garage and do some stuff. I've been waiting on some parts for the oil burner. Did finally get some parts in. Got the flow control valve to adjust the feed. I got the tap for the oil tank, which I'm going to use a 5-gallon bucket. We'll drill a hole in the side. This thing taps in, and then we can tap a plug into there. And we got the gasket material for the go around the door. This past week I just haven't been able to get out to the shop. As you guys know, we got a lot of snow here. Our measurements at work were between 14 and 18 inches. Don't know if that's drifting or whatever, but that's what they're estimating it at. They were calling for 6 to 10, I think, or 6 to 12, something like that. We got well over that. I basically spent Monday, well, from Sunday night, if you watch my live stream, I did a short live stream. I did a half an hour. I was back in at work at 11 p.m. that night. Did not leave work until afternoon the next day. Then that was Monday. Tuesday, we were back in early again. Worked another 12 hours. Finally got everything opened up, cleaned up, ready to go. I mean, we were actually open Tuesday morning, but everything was clear by Tuesday, 4 o'clock. So then Wednesday, of course, I, being the mechanic, I had to start fixing things. We did have some breakdowns, not technical breakdowns, but things that needed to be addressed. Some cutter edges on some of the snow plows got wore down. Some of the brushes just needed some attention. We did have one, it lost the rear drive wheel, so it's a Ventrek. We actually sent that out because I had so many other things to be done that I didn't have time to get into that. Just some other small stuff going. And then on top of all that, I pulled something in my back, and I've been fighting that pain since Tuesday afternoon till now. This is Friday afternoon. I was hoping to get out in the garage last night. I did not, to film some stuff for you guys. I couldn't, after I got off work, I couldn't move. I'm sorry, it's an excuse. I don't like making excuses. I usually just work through anything that's going on, but I couldn't with this. So right now it's too late to go out and video anything long, to get it edited, get it uploaded and everything for you guys for tomorrow morning. So I'm just going to do this short video here. I may put some pulling clips or something in here to fill up some time, but you know, if you all don't want to watch that, you don't have to, but I appreciate it. And I want to apologize also for the cooking videos. I know I've been lacking them, just kind of mailing them in. I'm going to do better. Like I said, I've just had a lot going on. Just, you know, sorry. I know it's not an excuse, but I mean, I need to do better. I promise to do better. I'm going to try to up my game on that, up my game on my other videos, my live streams. We're going to take them back to what they were, you know, before. Just not people just up there to BS and, you know, hang out, and you guys aren't there to watch us, you know, yammer back and forth. You're there to, you know, to see me, for one, but for the other is to get information, to help people. If you need help with small engine stuff, pulling stuff, you know, we're going to get back to that. So, all right, I've yammered for over 4 minutes here, so appreciate you all watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. I do appreciate it. I read all my comments. I try to reply to all my comments. So, you know, thank y'all, and hopefully we'll see more of you. And we'll catch you Sunday night, 7 p.m. Eastern time. Like I said, hope you all stop in, check it out, interact. Thank you again, and we'll catch you all on the next one.